these are the specs of Project4 CS50 web. And first feature is a new post can create who are signed in. So first of all, I'm going to sign in. I'm login. So I'm going to create a first post by foo. So this is first post. Now I'm going on the next screen. Super user also shows the first post, and here I will first post by super user, and I'll post here. This is come. Next tab is all post tab. All post page should display all posts from all users and most recent post first. On each post should include username, post content, date and time, and number of likes. So this is all post page, all post by every user. Now next requirement is a profile page. Uh, it should display the number of followers and followings and display all of the posts, and for the user signed in, follow and unfollow button. So go to here. This is I'm as a foo and I'm going to super user. Follow unfollow buttons are present, and I'm so if I log out, then when I go to profile there are no follow or following buttons. Next requirement is following page. It should display all posts by users of current user follows, and it should be available only the users who are signed in. So let's check login as foo. So this is a following page. It shows following page, and if I log out there is no following page. And next requirement is pagination, which is 10 pages, 10 posts on a page. So now I'll make posts. So I have make posts. Now check the post. I'm super user. There are pages. This is second page, and this is third page. So this is first page. This is pagination. The next requirement, edit post only who owns the post. So I'm super user, so I can edit the post. Edited, update. So this is updated, and after all, like and unlike buttons, these are working well. And here these are working well.